Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this short video, I will quickly explain you how to use sum if formula in your data. In this simple example, I have three columns. One is shop ID, one is item, and third one is quantity. I would like to see the sum of quantity that belongs to SD11 shop. So I will use the sum if formula because I want formula to work on some condition which I define. So here I will start the formula is equal to SUMIF. Now you can see the first one, click on this one, and then first one is range. First is asking you to define the range in which the formula will work. So this is the whole range in which formula will work, and then press comma. Second one is criteria. What is your criteria? My criteria cell is this one. I would like to see the sum quantity for the SD11 shop. I will fix my criteria cell with F4 in case if I need to change it, so then the formula will refer to this cell, comma. And the last thing is sum range. This is the result column, the column in which I want the result from. I want the result from this quantity column, so I will select this column because I want formula to go to the quantity column and sum the values which belongs to SD11, and then I will close off bracket, press enter. Now you can see 754. It's showing me the sum of the quantity that belongs to shop SD11, which is 150, 358 and 246. If you add up all of these, it becomes 754. So this is the quite useful formula which you can use. You can apply the condition and the formula will work on your defined condition. Formula I have defined here is equal to sum if start of bracket range criteria and sum range. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.